Straight think when I've done that.
What is going on?
Are you actually recording? Okay, let him focus so you can get it done.
Nice. After I'm no finger.
You know where she was.
That's how you do it.
Like, barely.
Yeah. She did. She added a new picture. Didn't call her. Did you private?
Okay, guys, let's go because there's other people that need to use it.
Yeah, hey.
Oh my God.
You should like edit it and be like.
Okay, you got 8 more minutes before the bell. Here's another iPad.
Oh my God, Jay.
Okay.
Oh my God, Jay.
3 to 5.
Okay, I'll
Play with it.
Yep, yep.
Go with it.
No,
These are during the
class.
classes.
Log into your live. What's the class?
That's why I'm let me know.
That me?
Okay?
Well, that's me. You're not. Oh, wait. That was me. You don't know that was it?
What? No.
Yeah, no, what are you doing that?
Guys, are you all done? Ron, are you done?
No, we got Jay, but he's like,
I'm putting it in. I'm about to plug it in.
he's not about to plug it in.
No. Give it to one of the guys.
Why?
You're not doing it here.
No, don't.
Are you awake for
He's submitting it.
Yeah.
Is this background?
He's submitting it.
Guys,
Yeah, how dare him submit it.
Or you can get it done.
wait, no, I did this in the middle of physics, and Brandon, like, you are really a couple seconds old.
Yeah, I can pull
No, you just have to undo one of your buttons. Pull it tight.
Now you put it in your folder, and you're done.
Yeah, one more. Pull it tight. So the tuck in the bottom part. Like, yeah, tuck that. No, tuck it under.
Took it under what?
Like, fold it under. So it looks the same length all around.